Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about personal hotspot not working on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, if you are iPhone user and you are facing this problem right now, to simply restart your iPhone. You have any iPhone X 11, 12 Pro Max, any iPhone, so restart your iPhone. I hope your problem will be solved after restarting your method. After restarting, simply open setting application appears on screen, scroll down and simply tap on general and open software update. If software update is pending, so update your software and scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after reset network setting. And if this method not work, so simply cancel from here. And this method not work, simply tap on reset again and tap on reset all setting. Don't worry, don't lose your data. And simply enter the passcode and reset all setting of your iPhone. I hope your problem will be solved after reset all setting. Simply close this window and must be see the next solution. Launch the setting app appears on screen. And here simply tap on personal hotspot, you can see appears on screen. And turn on from here and tap on join the Wi-Fi. Here you can see. And I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.